have another Fidget order. Hold on. By Nathan, and I'm back at my house, so yeah. Nathan doesn't really care what I give him, so yeah. Let's first start off with grabbing a basket. White or black? White. Okay, I'll be back once I get the basket. I'm gonna get him the white basket. Get Nathan the white basket. Guys, I'm struggling. Okay, guys, I got the basket. I don't care what this is. I don't need that. Okay. So first, he didn't tell me what he wanted. So I know he wants one of these though. So I'm gonna give him one of these. And this is for you, Nathan. And I made this. I just took the sponge out of a puzzle ball. I call this a sound maker. Give him that. And I'm gonna give Nathan this new popsicle thing. Actually, I'll save this for next time if someone wants to order. I'll give him this mini yellow pop tube. Since I'm extra generous. And I'll give him a mini pastel Pop-It. Love it. I don't want to give him my new ones yet. Upcoming video about Fidget, so yeah. I'm going to give him a snake, a mini snake, and I will give him 2 monkey noodles and a tangle. I'm too lazy to put it in nicely. And I'll give him my last infinity cube. Basket. Since I'm extra generous, I'm gonna give him a squishy. I know this is a girly squishy, but I hope he likes it. And then for extras, I'm going to give him another monkey noodle, marble and mesh, and a mini puzzle ball. Bye! I hope you enjoy your order, Nathan.